The five universal principles of good nutrition according to science. In the previous video, I was talking about the principle number two, which is protein is the most important nutrient to get it right. Right? Today, I will talk about the principle number three, which is as food processing increases, the nutrient density decreases. Okay, see, minimally processed whole foods such as grains, eggs, fish, nuts, seeds, etc., contain a vast selection of minerals, vitamins, phytonutrients, that is plant-based nutrient, and zoonutrient, that is animal nutrients. Okay, see, though we are still unraveling exactly which nutrients do what, a wealth of research consistently points to one resounding conclusion: humans are healthier when they consume more whole foods and fewer refined ones. Okay, this is probably because the higher the degree of processing, the higher the likelihood that food, number one, has lost nutrition values such as fiber, essential fatty acids, vitamins, minerals, phytonutrients, and zoonutrients. Number two, has gained additives, preservatives, fillers, colors, sugar, sodium, unhealthy fats, and or refined starch. Okay, this is a lot easier to see when you compare specific whole foods to their more highly processed equivalents. Okay, so the less processed meat or and potato dinner contains about 350 fewer calories and a fraction of the sodium as the fast food burger with fries. Okay, as well, lot more protein, fiber, and other nutrients it contains. I'm talking about the less processed food. Okay, see, but you could analyze yourself any world foods along with its more refined counterpart and see similar differences in calories, sodium, and nutrients. Okay, so it makes sense that a diet rich in minimally processed foods can lead to lower rates of heart disease, cancer, depression, type 2 diabetes, and among other health problems. Okay, see, minimally processed foods are also rich in fiber and or protein. uh, Actually, these are the two nutrients that help boost satiety, right? So, and they tend to have fewer calories per servings than highly processed food equivalent. Okay, see, both the triads make it easier, right? So for us to control our weight, right? See, one customized control trial even found that people ate a stunning 500 more calories per day when they consumed a diet rich in ultra processed foods compared to a diet rich in minimally processed whole food, right? This is essentially almost equivalent of consuming an extra meal. In fact, minimally processed whole food may be what all successful diets share in common. Okay, see, recent studies have shown that the participants experience the same amount of weight loss regardless of carbs or fat intake, as long as they minimize their consumption of refined sugars, flours, and other processed food while emphasizing on whole foods like veggies. Okay, they also experience similar improvement in blood pressure, insulin, glucose, and cholesterol levels. See, I am actually 100% confident about the importance of whole food, but I'm also extremely confident about something else. That is, progress is much more important than perfection. So, what it means here in this context? So, rather than separating food as whole or non whole, what you can do is categorize it uh, in a spectrum, right? Imagine as a spectrum actually. Yeah, as food becomes more processed and refined, right, it loses little bit of nutrition value. So the goal with the whole food isn't to get things perfect, right? But instead focus on making them just little bit better. than what you are consuming currently. Okay. If you like this video, please do like and share, and I will record the next video which will talk about principle number 3 of good nutrition. Until next time, God bless. Cheers. Bye bye.